Alright, well hello there YouTube, this is Askew 2000. I have kind of an interesting video today. I'm going to do kind of a surprise unboxing and just kind of initial review of what I'm assuming is a guitar. I don't know, it was my birthday a few days ago, and this showed up in the mail from my parents, so thanks my parents. They know I like guitars. Yeah, I have no idea what's in here. I'm kind of excited to see what it is, maybe try it out. I can assume that it's from Fender. I'm going to also assume that it's probably a Squier, because it has Squier on the back here. It is kind of lightweight. And it looks like it did come from Amazon, so I don't know about the shipping practices, but there is a nice little ding right here, so lightweight. I'm kind of assuming maybe some kind of Squier acoustic or something. But yeah, we'll pull it out and check it out and see what we got. And I'll give you kind of initial impressions and I'll play around with it a little bit, and maybe I'll add it to my list of guitars that I'm gonna kind of going through on my channel. So let's go ahead and open it up. Doesn't look like it's anything fancy in terms of packaging. All right. Let's set that here. All right, so we got box within a box. It's always kind of exciting. Okay, you guys are probably going to see it first as I'm kind of lifting it up. All right, all right. Okay. Can't quite tell exactly what it is. It's lightweight though. Can't quite tell. That box over here. I'll just go ahead and pull it out. There's some tape that needs to be removed. No, it's not an acoustic. No packaging materials here. Oh, you know what it is? Oh, that's very cool. It's a Starcaster. Squier Starcaster. This is a cool guitar. I do have my fondness for hollow bodies or semi-hollow body guitars. It's very pretty. So we've got a inspection card. That's kind of interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen inspection cards come with Squiers before. Oh, very cool. Well, I'll try to work that guy off. It's always so hard to get off the tuners. I kind of push in to get them loose, and then, all right. So Starcasters are kind of interesting guitars. They're not as well known in like kind of the Fender lineup of guitars. I think they came out in like the 70s with Fender, and then they kind of didn't really hit very hard with the audience, and so I think they moved them down to a Squier line. In terms of packaging, and this is partly to do on Amazon's part, there's a lot of gunk and stuff I can see right off the bat. Just cardboard and wood and whatever else. Pull the plastic off the pickups. So right off the bat, I mean, it's clearly out of tune, which I have a fix for. If you guys have ever seen these before, I'm actually kind of a fan of them. I'll try to balance it here well. really have a way to. So I have one of these little Rode automatic tuners. They're really handy, especially if you're playing something live, right? And you just want to. It's so at it. There it goes. Having a hard time getting that on target. There you go, finally got it. So I kind of show you how the Rode tuner sort of works. I can kind of push this down. So you basically just put it on the electric guitar and then put it there. It uses the vibration. And then it will tune all your strings. Only downside of the Rode tuner is that if the string is way out of whack, so it's beyond like the recognizable frequency, it won't quite pick it up. But it's a real quick, easy way to there we go. It's easy peasy. So, let me move it down a little bit further. It has a nice acoustics. I like that aspect of it. So it's something that could easily be played like in bed, just noodling, so you don't like disturb neighbors or whatever. All right, let's try plugging it in. See what we got. So it just looks like it has a 3-way switch. I think this is the Affinity model of Starcaster. They just did start kind of reproducing them for, I think Tom DeLonge has a new deal with Fender, and they're kind of making, I think they're made in Mexico versions, but they're still Starcasters. So let's just plug it into my little positive grid. So it's kind of wumpy. Yeah, sounds good. So that's the both pickups together. There's just the neck. And this is bridge. It's not bad. Volume. Tone, yeah, that works. So one thing I can kind of tell right off the bat, I don't know if you can kind of see it, it looks like the truss rod's going to need a little bit of adjusting. Not the end of the world. Nut looks nice. Let's put on some overdrive. So amp setting I have. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, very cool. Well, thanks Mom and Dad for this. Probably does need a little bit of a setup. Strings are a little bit high. I'm kind of concerned about the, when I switched it onto the overdrive channel, it kind of started acting weird. My piss poor attempt at trying to play some Jimi Hendrix. Yeah, but it's a very cool guitar. I definitely dig it. Right off the bat, I noticed there are some kind of weird finishing issues. I don't know if I can get that on camera. This doesn't look like it's much of a problem. There's some kind of white powdery stuff right around there. Again, just a quick wipe down. Maybe adjustment of the strings and everything like that, but I think it'd be kind of a sweet guitar, and if anything, it'd be a really cool sort of modding guitar, right? So you can add some different pickups in there. But yeah, so it'd be great to noodle around with, and first impressions are really great. So after I play around with it a little bit, I'll let everybody know. All right, take care. Thanks.